Habang busy kami ni Jensel sa pamamalengke sa farmer's market,
Sariwang gulay, dito na po!
may ibang lakad naman ang tropa nating si Matt Lozano. Dahil naghahanap siya ng perfect spot para simulan ang araw with some coffee. At napadpad siya sa Mornings In Banaue sa Quezon City na nag-o-offer daw ng kapeng ginagawa gamit ang proseso ng siphoning.
Mornings in Banaue was established around November of 2023. So it originated from yung hobby ko lang dahil I wanted to drink coffee. Mahilig talaga ako sa coffee. And I really go to different provinces to taste different types of coffee. So isa sa mga nagustuhan kong coffee is from Sagada and Benguet. Mornings in Banaue, yung pangalan and logo was created by my sister. Tapos yung design is conceptualized by my brother. So mornings, dahil ang coffee is usually we drink it in the morning, especially for us Filipinos. Then Banaue dahil dun galing yung beans namin.
So isa sa mga pinupuntahan sa aming coffee shop is yung kakaibang pag-brew ng coffee. One of this is yung siphon.
Siphon is one of the way of doing coffee and ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito sa Mornings in Banaue. Ang siphon is we boiled the water. When it reaches a certain temperature, binabacuum siya paakyat, hinihigop ng upper chamber. Then once nasa taas na siya, we mix the coffee inside. Then slowly stir. Then hintayin lang natin siya for 2 to 3 minutes before turning off the fire. Then pag pinatay natin yung fire, the coffee from the upper chamber goes down back to the lower chamber. Then that's the time we pour it over sa either a glass of ice or a hot glass para i-serve siya sa customers.
Sobrang interesting actually kasi yung process niya hindi normal eh. Kasi usually yung normal na nakikita natin, yung pour over, French press, or yung mga normal lang na coffee maker. Ito kakaiba eh, kasi makikita mo may process talaga siya na pagka naapoyan yung pagka na-reach niya yung boiling point, tataas na ganun. Tapos pag tinanggal mo, bababa ulit. Iba yung experience para sa akin kasi pinapakita sa'yo yung process. So, mas na-enjoy ko yung kape.
Aside from brewed espresso coffee, we also have our matcha series or rock salt series, tropical series where we use mango from Cebu and mix it with matcha or strawberry from Baguio. So with this, we are doing a fusion of Japanese flavor and Filipino flavor. The foods that we offer, we source it locally. Like for the beans, it's from Sagada Benguet. The tapa are from Batangas. The milkfish are from Pangasinan. The sardines are from Jensan. We wanted to help kasi yun yung nakita naming gap na most of our products are being exported. Hindi natin siya na-enjoy as Filipinos. That's what we did na we are bringing it back here in the Philippines. We want our fellow Filipinos to taste yung culture ng Philippines first. Second, yung flavors natin. And third is yung sarili nating yaman.
Pizza baguette.
We also do offer snacks here. Like for a pizza baguette, we have our truffles. And these are some of the local delicacies na nag-bring back ng memories during our childhood. So like for the pizza baguette, nung bata tayo, we usually get a bread, one slice of bread, nilalagyan natin ketchup, then cheese, then toaster natin. So with pizza baguette, nag-bring back yung memories at the same time yung Filipino culture natin. So Cruffles is may idea lang namin since we have croissants and before malakas ang waffle namin, Belgian waffle. So we tried mixing the two.
Favorite ko ang Bicol Express, lalong-lalo na pagka may kanin. And sobrang bago sa akin, hindi ko akalain na sobrang bagay pala sa pasta yung Bicol Express. First time ko and for sure babalik ako dito.
Yung board games, dinagdag lang namin siya as a way for families and friends to bond. Yung memory na gusto namin na maiwan or mabigay sa clients namin, aside from yung coffee and the food, is really the bonding time with their family.
Happiness, yung naramdaman ko, hindi ko ina-expect na, alam mo yun, may energized ako at the same time, nakakain ako ng sobrang sarap na pagkain.